All right, Gary, let's go take this patinaed out 61 Falcon Wagon for a spin.
Oh yeah.
She's a sleeper. It's got used to have a 6-cylinder with an automatic. Now it's got a 427 small block stroker motor in it with a C4 built transmission. Pretty cool car.
Yeah, it's a sleeper. It's really loud for a sleeper.
Yeah, I know, no kidding. It's a sleeper for deaf people. But it's got Wilwood disc brakes up front. It's got some modern suspension upgrades. It's got a 4-link in the back with 355 gear ratio. I think it's a 1-legger though. But you know, Autometer gauges. Nice, nice stereo system in there and everything like that. You know,
yeah, it drives good.
It does. A good driving car, huh?
Yeah. Well, that whole new front clip there with the rack and pinion and everything. I mean, it's a high-end setup, but I like it.
Yeah, somebody spent a lot of money on a Falcon Wagon. That probably about just the money they spent about what we're asking for it.
That's a fast wagon. It's a dragon wagon.
Yeah, you can throw your surfboards in it, skateboards, head out to the beach if you want. It's take your buddies with you. It's pretty cool being a sleeper. It's got 17-inch US mags on there that look real good. They fit up into the wheel wells good. Overall, really a fun car.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna pull up here and take some pictures and walk around. You know, take some pictures and walk around a little bit.
All right, check this out. 61 Ford Falcon Wagon. Started off as a little 6-cylinder and 2-speed automatic car. Well, nowadays it's got itself a 427 stroker motor. It's got headers, former manifold, Holley carb, MSD ignition. It's got a big old aluminum radiator in the front. It's got a C4 that's been built up to handle all that extra power. And it's got a 4.9-inch with 355s in it. And it's got a Rod and Custom front end, which is basically to take out the shock towers. And they put a whole coil system in there, coil spring system with rack and pinion. It's really cool. It's got a 4-link setup in the rear. And it's got Wilwoods all around. So those are really good brakes, obviously. And it's got a fuel cell in the back, 15-gallon job, and some nice, you can see them from here, you know, 17-inch mag wheels. And show you the interior. Pretty nice upholstery. Let me get that out of the way. There you go. Pretty nice upholstery there. Headliner's really nice. It's got a modern stereo, Bluetooth, and it's got some, what we got here, Procomp gauges. Yeah, pretty nice little car here, you know. Nice little beach cruiser. Surf wagon. It's got some patina on it, but thing runs and drives well. It's a lot of fun. And we're going to give you a shot of the engine along with let you listen to this thing. It's a really cool machine. All right, here's the power plant. It's not your dad's Falcon, or maybe it could be your dad if his name's Don Garlitz, but it's got a 427-inch stroker motor in there. Runs really well. It's got a lot of power. You know, some of the stuff I talked about earlier, headers and performer manifold, MSD ignition. This thing runs great. Got big old aluminum radiator in there, and it's got dual reservoir master. No power steering, no power brakes, but nothing that you can't handle. That, you know, I thought it was fine. We're gonna go ahead and start this up. Yeah, sounds good. Go back there and listen to the exhaust. Woo-wee, man. Fun car, fun. Anyways, we got this car here over at California Cars. Phone number is 818-591-1313. We're located in Simi Valley. You can give Rich or Gary a call. We'd be more than happy to show you this fun little surf wagon.